Hey guys, today I want to show you how to make the Snowy Grinch. So we're starting with some water in our cup, and I'm also going to have another cup for mixing. I'm adding some green apple stevia in the bigger cup, and in the smaller cup I want to add 1 scoop of our tropical twist fiber, 1 scoop of our Prolessa, I'm going to add probiotic into the green apple. I'm adding some cranberry aloe. Gonna mix those up. Add some ice and some water. And then we're gonna top it with the Prolessa and the fiber. And that's it. That's how you make the Snowy Grinch. Thanks for watching.